Welcome to Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Movement. Let's learn about calcium. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body, and almost 99% of the body's calcium is stored in the structure of the bones and teeth. What is calcium? Calcium is an essential chemical element found within the human body. It is needed for so much more than bone health. Eating calcium-rich foods makes it possible for our bodies to achieve optimal nerve transmission, blood clotting, hormone secretion, and even muscle contraction. Calcium-rich foods. While milk and other dairy products are certainly good sources of calcium, they aren't the only option. It might surprise you that many different types of non-dairy plant and animal-derived foods, including vegetables, fish, nuts, and beans, also provide calcium. Sardines. One 3.75-ounce can of Atlantic sardines contains approximately 351 milligrams of calcium. Sardines are a high-protein food, plus possess heart-healthy fats as well as important micronutrients like vitamin B12, selenium, and phosphorus. Kefir. 1 cup of store-bought whole milk kefir contains 390 milligrams of calcium. Very high in probiotics, kefir can contain more than 50 species of probiotic bacteria and yeasts. 1 cup of cow's whole milk contains just over 300 milligrams of calcium. Milk is also a quality source of vitamins A and D. Cows grazing on grass produce a higher level of heart-healthy fat-soluble vitamins than milk that comes from factory-farmed cows. Leafy greens. 1 cup of chopped collard greens contains approximately 255 milligrams of calcium. Leafy green vegetables are loaded with nutrients and are very good for you. Most of them are high in calcium, especially collard greens, spinach, and kale. Yogurt. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, 1 cup of unsweetened whole milk Greek yogurt contains about 200 milligrams of calcium. Unprocessed fermented dairy products are beneficial for gut health because of the probiotics they provide. Plain Greek yogurt contains more protein and less sugar than regular yogurt. Tofu. A 3.5-ounce serving of tofu contains 201 milligrams of calcium. Tofu is a great source of protein, along with other key micronutrients like manganese, calcium, and selenium. Feta cheese. 1 serving of feta cheese contains 140 milligrams of calcium. Feta cheese is easier to digest and much less allergenic and inflammatory than cheeses from cow's milk, which is encouraging to those of you who may be sensitive to dairy products. Beans and lentils. 1 cup of cooked navy beans contains approximately 126 milligrams of calcium. Like other beans and lentils, navy beans are rich in antioxidants and micronutrients. They are also a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Seeds. 1 tablespoon of dried whole sesame seeds contains approximately 88 milligrams of calcium. Like other seeds, sesame seeds include high amounts of protein, copper, manganese, and calcium. Calcium health benefits. Support bone health. More than 10 million U.S. adults are affected by osteoporosis, which is one of the leading causes of broken bones in the elderly and affects more women than men. It likely won't come as a surprise that foods high in calcium support bone and skeletal health. May help prevent cancer. Studies have shown that consuming calcium-rich foods is associated with a decreased risk of certain types of cancer, especially colon and rectal cancers. Aid weight management. Certain clinical studies have found that there is a connection between higher calcium intake from foods high in calcium and lower body weight. It is believed that calcium in the diet can bind to fat in the digestive system, helping it be excreted and possibly preventing some fat absorption. Improve blood pressure and heart health. Foods high in calcium help relax smooth muscle tissues found in the veins and arteries. Calcium can also help prevent blood clotting and help reduce blood pressure.
For more educational videos, please visit our YouTube channel, youtube.com/@flavorsforlife.